Hello everyone, how to towards back with another app review video, and in this video I'm going to show you an app. It's called Rocket from Das Bangla Bank. So this is mobile banking. So you can see the rating of the app 4.3 out of 5. So when you get any app, the app is more than 4, we consider that the app is good. And 77k reviews, it means 77,000 people write something about this app. We'll see it later. And the size of the app, it's too light, and you can see 10 million plus people already downloaded this app or uses this app. So if you want to see, then you have to log in by your contact number and you have to give the pin, and then here you can see there is some option like scan QR, my QR, top up, it means research, bill pay, merchant pay. So you'll uh, uh, get many facilities from this website, from this app. So, and here is some like many things available here. If you want to check about this app, or if you want to see ratings and reviews, then you can go here and click 5-star review, and here you can see there are many people give the 5-star review, and also there are some negative review. So it's easy to use. You just need to create your account first, then you have to go through your mobile account and pin number, then you can start using this app. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.